Yeah, here we go. Here it is. I'm gonna have to open it up at home and do it at home or whatever. But they are the only people that have it. So I'm at the tires. They are the only people that have it. That was the last box. So yeah. Here it is, folks. It's one adjustable though. There's only one ring. But Jesus, is a massive ring. Bit of a lock pin there. So there's no second ring to. So the only height is that amount of height. So the spring rate doesn't change. Just your height changes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This one's gonna be a little bit major for me because I actually got coilovers for the Mercedes-Benz. So I'm on my way to just go see if anyone can change it for me today. Guys, while doing my inaugural looking for prices, Amaiba, what? What? Are you kidding me? This is crazy, bro. Check it. Yeah, I'm putting it on the tire mod and clear mod, the same place I put the bearing on. They are the best prices, not gonna lie. And there's a fucking nail in here. Not the wonder. Okay, so what is happening is I'm letting them change it. It's gonna cost a bit and I might have to adjust it afterwards now. I'd rather let them do it than me struggle at home because I don't have a spring compressor, and even if I have a spring compressor, you need a special spring compressor for the back springs because the back springs are actually quite thick, quite taut, you can't just, you know, you can get seriously hurt. So I don't even want to try it. I'm gonna let them do it here, and then yeah, so I'm gonna have to adjust the springs now a certain way. I think I'm just gonna adjust them all what I think might be right. It might be a little bit weird, a little bit skew, but I can always adjust it at home. So I just literally need them to put it in, and then we can see how it looks afterwards. It might just suck. Also, it's very early Friday morning and the sun is shining in. Look at that photobomb right over there. Yeah. Why? I'm putting it in a rig here for you. Looking at it now, the car is back up and the wheels are on. We didn't put it on the ground yet, but yeah, this could be real low. Just we'll have to see when we lower it, and I also have to drive home, but I hope it's like a height that I can drive with it. Do this job at home, guys. You need Lady MacGyvers like this to compress this spring and get the spring out. The shock is also being replaced. Shocks are easy, but it's that spring that's the issue. Now, the only problem I see is I can't even reach the adjustment. So the adjustment screw is sitting in, like in there. Yeah, nah, you make a mistake, bro. I was just fine. So that thing is sitting in there, so adjusting that's gonna be an effort. So I'm probably have to make a loose adjustment, yeah. The only problem, but there's no other way we can do that. We have to see when we drop it, we're just gonna send it now. Okay, so it's just the last spring that must go in, and the debate here now is like, it's probably gonna be too low as it sits. The front I'll also have to see. Like I said, it just needs to be, I just need to be able to drive it, and it should be fine. We are kind of done here, and we're putting out the tire on and we're gonna load it. I'm excited and nervous and everything at the same time because this might be a real grip, let's be honest. My dude put on some tire polish here for some extra effect, but we're gonna lower it soon. Let's see. I'm just trying to, you know, come to grips with it, but boys, this could be a real fuck up. It could be real low. Whew, my guy's about to lower it. Let's get it good effect from this side here. Yeah, this might be low as shit. Oh, you gotta make me wait. Okay, so we put it on now and it's technically stuck. It's actually high. Yeah. So in front it's a bit high. I'll set that down. That is so high. 4x4 vibes over here. I'll turn it when I get home. It looks stuck. It looks exactly stuck. Like the back looks exactly the same.
A few moments later.
So the back is sitting just right, guys. Yo. Look at that footman, boy. Okay, so I took it off the vlog just to check, and the back looks like it's actually perfect. I need to turn the front down just a tad. It does feel a bit high. Oh, bruh, those rims look mooi on this car, bro. Seriously, I wouldn't do it any other way. I wouldn't do it any other way. Look at the rims look on there. It's like an OEM rim, but it's white and brushed aluminium. Yo, look at my, hey, check it, spotted, bro. If that's you, say what's up to the vlog, bro. I look great. Okay, so now you get me after we've dropped the car. I shot the outro, but was anyways, so it's settled. I've driven it now for a day and odd, and it's settled pretty nicely. It looks even now. Let me look at it from that. So let's get our fingers involved, and we're gonna put, I think we at almost 3 fingers. I'd say 2 fingers and a bit at the back. Okay, and we go around the front. And then we have almost 3 fingers. So the front is literally a few millimeters higher than the back. So it's sitting at a bit of a rake stance. But because of the way the Mercedes-Benz was, or at least the C-Class was designed, it's designed up like that. The body lines are run across and up. So with it even a little bit higher in front, it looks straight. I'm sorry, I'm looking at this angle, but it's the best way I can kind of explain what's happening here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn down the front. Turn down for what? Because so that I can have a good rake stance. I even noticed, because the back is now lower and the front is now a little bit higher, my headlights are not correct. But I want to download the front. I want to lower the front just a tad. I'm going to lower it a finger, maybe 1 finger, so that I still don't scrape on anything. This car is not scraping at all. I don't need anything, no speed bumps, not the speed bump coming into the building, nothing. So I think I can do a 1 finger in front.
Hey, that's what she said.
Why? And then maybe I have to readjust my headlights after I'm done with the whole dropping story, because I did want it to settle first before I figured let me drop the front. A lot of people don't talk about it, but you have to adjust your headlights when dropping a car. You could have been maybe too far down or maybe too far up, so you have to adjust your headlights accordingly. This car does have a dial on the inside, but I do want to put it on 0 and then have it the right height. That's nothing to do with the dropping, but it's something you should consider. It shouldn't be too complicated. These coilovers are a little bit weird in the sense of they don't have a locking ring. Okay, I'm gonna show you now. Give me a second. Okay, so we're looking at the coilovers now, and you will see there is no locking ring. There is a sort of a locking pin that you hold with a Allen key. You turn it loose with the Allen key. I actually didn't even turn it that tight at all. It holds pretty well. It's taking bumps like a bloody champ. So it is pretty solid, that ring. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I still have plenty to go on the coilover. A little bit lower than that. I counted there's about 15 threads below that ring. So I'm going to turn it down 1 finger, or I think 3 or 4 threads. We should give it about 1 finger down here. And then we can get rid of this gap, because from this side you can actually still see the coilover and everything. So yeah, let's do that. Oh wait, so look who's stick there. Nostalgic, show yourself. He's gonna help me, not help me, but he's gonna help me vlog. So what we're gonna do is turn it down from what it is. I didn't do a measurement.
Eye measurement.
Yeah, it was almost 3 fingers.
Guesstimate.
Yo, little guns. Yo guys, just make your stuff way too fast.
Yo, bro, that one is will to come off.
No.
You are safe.
Turn it up again.
Sheesh, man is doing some
Mercedes-Benz jacks. Want to sponsor some? Midas? Organize.
So my shout out everyone. Shout out Midas, Auto Styling.
Auto Zone, Auto Style.
Game. Chinatown.
Macro, China now. Smart to stay up.
You have to put sleeveovers in, bro.
Nah, that's like, oh, your phone, bro.
Oh,
plug for the covers, there.
Oh, wait. Oh, the phone just fell. Oh, guys, if you want any iPhone covers, let me know. Yeah, it just fell, sorry.
Look here, and it didn't break. It didn't break. Yeah. Together, now I loosened it, and we're gonna turn it down. Now it's about halfway down on the coil, I'd say. I turned it up to about halfway, and then we're gonna turn it down. We want to get that 2 fingers. So I must go like all the way down to get a finger.
But you're gonna turn. You must not go jump after this one.
Let's hope it's easy to turn. So it's gotta go this way, I think. I've never turned down a coilover before, so it's life.
Huh?
No, I want to see if I am turning it down. Yeah. That one turn was 3 more.
That's good, bro. So now I just need another 5.
Another one turn. Stance life, boys.
Make it
Look
go.
at the stance life, boys.
Turn
Try
down
to
my car.
turn it down. That's 2 turns. We are at 2 turns. It was 22 more. I'm now at 19. Okay, I'm gonna go 1 more turn.
Turning down my car.
Oh yeah, you need the TikTok voice to speak. Measure it again. It was at 21 millimeters. It's now at, oh, goodness gracious me.
It's going down fast.
16. I'm now at 15, 16, 17 more. It goes quite a bit down per turn, which is worrying. So let's put the lock pin in. No. Well, let's roll it back and forth. Good now. 5 fingers on 2 now.
How much
So-
was 3 before?
It was 3 fingers
So
before.
your 1 finger is 5 more. Never cut
Now
the
it's
finger.
sitting right.
So my finger.
Okay, so like I said, this side is still the same. I have gloves on, but like I said, look there, 2.5. Let me just put the flash on here.
Pro measurement.
So you see there 2 fingers, and I'm touching the tire with the tip. I can go about 3. I'm counting the edge of the tire over here. So we can go maybe another 1 turn. 1 more turn. 1 more turn.
Fingering the course.
Oh, bro, let me tell you. Juicy.
Look at this. Look at this.
So we got 2-ish fingers on that side, and we got just a nice tight 2 over the side. A nice tight 2. And I'm liking it. I'm actually liking it like this. Because it's now sitting right, it's sitting low in front and at the back.
The 19-inch.
I don't know, guys. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it like this for a but drive it like this.
No, I mean.
No, it's hard to turn, bruh. Turbo flatter over there. Okay, I'm gonna go another maybe 2 turns. We're gonna see how it look. It's gonna look so raked. It's gonna look so raked, but let's send it. Let's send it. Hey, I'm a TDE. So you can see now I got a tight 2 fingers now. That can't go in. I think I'm fine with that. If I go all the way down the coil, it's gonna sit on the tire. But I have to go all the way down. I'm not gonna do that. That is spicy for me. I think that's a
No, my flaps. I don't want to damage my flaps.
Nah, Mark ones don't give a fuck, man, bro. I'm gonna put it before and after. Listen, I could put 4 fingers here, easy, my bro. Like this, whack. 4x4 here at the back. And in front, I could put 3 fingers, 3-ish fingers. Whereas now it's a tight 2, my bro, and I'm happy with that, bro. Because I can always turn it down again, maybe next week or so. Let me drive like this.
Turn it down for first Sundays.
Yeah, let's turn it down for first Sundays or whatever. It looks just, but I'm gonna cut it here, guys. Thank you for watching. Yes, I'm very warm. Okay,
Hey, guys.
it is 31 degrees outside.
We don't want to spoil our mud flaps.
Remember that?
Guys, if you have free mud flaps to sponsor for Yusuf, please let him
That
know.
universal rally ones that you put on Subarus
Rally
and red ones, give me one of those. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. I like the way it looks because I don't want to go too low. I don't want it to look ricer. I don't want it to look sus. I don't want it to look.
If you happy, I'm
Cops!
happy.
Yeah, see.
Cops.
Cops. What?
But now you can slam his car, the cops will be like, oh, let's stop.
You stock height, no? And you can't see it, but if you look at it from this angle.
I think you must spray the spring black.
Nah, I'm not gonna. But okay, guys, I think that's it. This whole video was a bit long in the tooth. But yeah, I think I need to go color on the calipers. What do you think? Sorry that there's stuff in the way and you can't see it much, but I'm liking that stance. You know what? Cue the montage.